Welcome to Virginia's first single-family home solar community. The purpose of solar panels is to generate power to help offset your electric power demand. Any excess power not used is purchased by Dominion Power at the same rate you pay and is used to offset the cost of electricity in future months when demand may be higher. In fact, the builder guarantees an average monthly utility bill of $45 or less. These homes are also protected by a 10-year core ERV warranty. ERV improves indoor air quality by providing simultaneous exhaust and fresh air supply, reducing the concentration of harmful pollutants in indoor air. In addition to all that, it's gorgeous and in walking distance to Rockets Landing. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, master suite and attached 2-car garage. This home also has a 10-year tax abatement equivalent to a $36,000 price reduction. For more information about the solar community, call Stephanie today at 804-248-2021.